What if I told you that you could turn 100 pages of dense research into a personalized podcast that you listen to on your morning commute? Or that you could upload your entire medical history and get AI-powered insights that even doctors might miss? This isn't science fiction, this is NotebookLM, and it's about to completely transform how you consume and understand information. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you why Spotify used this exact tool to power their Wrapped feature, and how you can use it to become a research superhuman. Introduction and problem setup. Here's the brutal truth about information overload. The average knowledge worker spends 2.5 hours every day just searching for information. That's 30% of your entire workday lost to digital archaeology. Meanwhile, we're drowning in PDFs, YouTube videos, meeting transcripts, and research papers that we never have time to properly digest. But what if there was a way to have an AI research partner that could read everything for you, connect the dots between different sources, and even generate a podcast discussion about your content? That's exactly what Google's NotebookLM does, and it's completely free. What is NotebookLM? NotebookLM isn't just another AI chatbot. It's what Google calls an AI-first notebook and a thinking partner. Unlike ChatGPT or Claude, which can hallucinate information, NotebookLM is grounded exclusively in your sources. It won't make things up because it only works with what you feed it. Here's what makes it revolutionary. It can handle up to 50 different sources per notebook, with each source containing up to 500,000 words. That's a massive 25 million words of context. Compare that to ChatGPT's 128,000 words, or Claude's 200,000 words. We're talking about analyzing entire libraries of information in a single conversation. The game-changing features: audio overviews, the viral feature. Let's start with the feature that broke the internet: audio overviews. This isn't just text-to-speech. NotebookLM creates realistic podcast conversations between two AI hosts discussing your content. I'm talking about natural pauses, ums, and ahs, even personal anecdotes that don't exist. Let me show you exactly how this works. I'm going to create a notebook about investment strategies. I'll upload 3 PDFs about real estate investing, add a YouTube video from a financial expert, and paste in some market research data. Click Create New Notebook. Upload sources: Real Estate Investment Guide.pdf, Market Analysis 2024.pdf, Investment Strategies.pdf. Add YouTube URL. Financial expert interview, go to Studio Panel, audio overview. Generate in about 5 minutes. You get a 15 to 20 minute podcast that sounds like this.
Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we are cracking open a set of sources that do more than just teach real estate investing.
Right, they're not just theory.
No, they hand you a shovel and, tell you exactly where to start digging.
The crazy part? You can now customize these podcasts. Want it explained for beginners? Done. Want it focused on just the financial implications? Easy. Want a debate format instead of a discussion? NotebookLM can do that too. Interactive audio mode. The future is here. But here's where it gets mind-blowing. Interactive audio mode. You can literally interrupt the AI podcast and join the conversation. Imagine listening to your personalized podcast about Guatemala travel planning, and when they mention Antigua, you can raise your hand and ask, "Hey, is it safe to travel there with 2 young kids?" The AI host will pause and answer your specific question in real time. Multimodal source support. NotebookLM doesn't just read text, it understands PDFs and documents. YouTube videos with transcripts, audio files, MP3s, voice memos, Google Docs and slides, website URLs, images within presentations, even your own voice notes scenario. Example, let's say you're a product manager preparing for a quarterly review. You can upload, meeting transcripts from Zoom calls your PowerPoint presentation, competitor analysis PDFs, customer feedback audio recordings, screenshots of user interfaces. Ask NotebookLM, what are the top 3 risks to our product roadmap based on all this data? It will analyze everything and give you citations, showing exactly where each insight came from. Source grounding and citations. This is huge for trust. Every answer comes with numbered citations. Click any number and it takes you to the exact paragraph in your source material. No more wondering if the AI is making things up. You can verify everything instantly. Video overviews, brand new feature. Google just launched video overviews. Think of it as your personal explainer video. Upload research papers about annual life reviews, and NotebookLM creates a professional video presentation with visuals, narration, and structured content. It's like having a personal video production team that works in minutes, not weeks. Real-world use cases. Business intelligence. You're launching a new product and need to understand your market. Here's your workflow. Upload competitor analysis reports. Add customer interview transcripts, include industry research PDFs. Ask, what market gaps can we exploit? Generate a briefing doc for your executive team. Create an audio overview for your commute. One user analyzed 4 investment PDFs totaling 100+ pages during their morning commute and made a $50,000 investment decision based on the insights. Academic research. PhD students are using NotebookLM to revolutionize literature reviews. Upload 20 to 30 research papers. Ask, what are the main disagreements between these studies? Generate a study guide with quiz questions. Create a timeline of research developments. Export everything as structured notes. This cuts literature review time from weeks to days. Personal knowledge management. Scenario annual life review. One creator uploaded his entire year of journal entries and asked NotebookLM to generate a podcast about his personal growth. He said it was like having 2 therapists discuss his life with genuine empathy and insight, giving him an outside perspective on his own experiences. Legal and compliance. Law firms are uploading case files, legal precedents, and client documents. They ask questions like, what are the strongest arguments for our position? Or, what precedents support this strategy? The AI provides answers with exact legal citations. Content creation. YouTube channel. Research content creators upload, competitor video transcripts, industry reports, audience survey data. Their own video scripts ask, what content gaps exist in my niche? Or, generate 10 video ideas based on audience pain points. Then use the audio overview feature to brainstorm while walking or driving. Advanced features and pro tips. The Discover Sources feature. This is like having a research assistant. Tell NotebookLM, find high-quality sources about infrared rhythms for my book on annual reviews. It searches the web and curates 10 relevant sources, research papers, articles, YouTube videos, that you can import with one click. Notebook collaboration. With NotebookLM Plus, $20 per month, you can share entire notebooks with your team. Imagine onboarding new employees by sharing a notebook containing all company documentation, training materials, and FAQs. They can ask questions and get instant, accurate answers. Mobile app integration. The mobile app changes everything. Hey, an interesting article during lunch? Share it directly to NotebookLM. Generate an audio overview and listen to it on your way home. You're turning dead time into learning time. Mind maps and visual organization. Upload complex information and ask for a mind map. NotebookLM creates interactive visual representations of your content, helping you see connections and patterns you might miss in linear text. Statistical impact and research backing. Let's talk numbers. According to research from DataCamp, Knowledge workers who use AI-powered research tools like NotebookLM report 50% reduction in research time, 73% improvement in information retention, 65% better decision-making confidence. The tool is built on Google's Gemini 2.0 Flash model, which has a 25 million token context window. That's roughly 18,750 pages of text that it can analyze simultaneously. Spotify's use of NotebookLM for Spotify Wrapped demonstrates enterprise-level trust in the platform. When a company processing billions of data points chooses your tool, that's validation. Comparison with other AI tools. Here's when to use NotebookLM instead of ChatGPT or Claude. Use NotebookLM when you have massive information sets, 25 million words versus ChatGPT's 128,000. Accuracy and citations are critical. You learn better through audio-visual formats. You need source-grounded responses. Use ChatGPT Claude when you need creative brainstorming. You want general knowledge queries, you need coding assistance, you prefer faster, more creative responses. The key difference, NotebookLM amplifies your knowledge, while other AI tools supplement it with general training data. Limitations and considerations. Let's be honest about limitations, it's still experimental. Google loves discontinuing products. Less creative than other AI tools by design requires good source material. Garbage in, garbage out. Audio overviews can have quirks, fake commercial breaks, non-existent personal stories. Website scraping isn't always perfect. Pro tip. Always download and save important outputs. Don't rely solely on cloud storage for critical insights. Step by step, getting started. Guide. Ready to become a NotebookLM power user? Here's your action plan. Week 1, Foundation. Go to notebooklm.google.com. Create your first notebook with 3 to 5 related sources. Try the suggested questions. Generate your first audio overview. Save valuable insights as notes. Week 2, Advanced Features experiment with different source types. Try the Discover Sources feature. Create structured documents, FAQs. Study guides, use the mobile app for on-the-go research. Week 3, Integration. Build notebooks for ongoing projects. Share notebooks with team members. Develop your personal research workflow. Start replacing traditional research methods. Pro tips for maximum impact. Name your notebooks descriptively. Use the Save to Note feature liberally. Combine multiple notes for deeper insights. Experiment with audio overview customization. Always verify critical information with source citations. Congratulations! You now know more about NotebookLM than 95% of people using it. You understand how to transform information overload into actionable insights, how to create personalized learning experiences, and how to leverage AI as a true thinking partner. In my next video, I'm revealing the Claude workflow that's 10 times more powerful than ChatGPT for this specific use case. It's the technique that Fortune 500 executives are using to make million-dollar decisions, and I'm going to show you exactly how to implement it, step by step. And if this video helped you understand NotebookLM, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials that actually matter. I'll see you in the next one.